Today we will be reading about The Golden Rule by Brenda B. Covert. The Golden Rule is thought to be one of the rules that everyone should follow. Let's see what the Golden Rule is. Which one of these is known as the Golden Rule? Point to your choice. Do you think it's do unto others as they have done unto you? Or do unto others as you would have them do unto you? Or do unto others before they have a chance to do unto you? Was it hard to decide? If you chose the second one, give yourself a hug. You got it right. Let's see what the second one is. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. What does this mean? Let's keep reading and find out. The Golden Rule tells us to treat others the way we would like to be treated. So if you want to be treated with respect, you have to first treat others with respect as well. If you obey the Golden Rule, you will not be mean. If someone is mean to you, what can you do? What would you do? You can tell a teacher, a parent, or other adult. Don't do mean things yourself. Try avoiding being mean. Avoid means try not to do it. Avoid, do not be mean. And you may avoid trouble. So if you are not mean, then you will not get in trouble. The Golden Rule tells us to put others first. You cannot be selfish if you obey the Golden Rule. So this Golden Rule means that you should put others first, and you should not be selfish. Do you like to be first? Instead, let others be first. Does it make you happy when someone shares candy or toys with you? Be willing to share your things. Do you want others to forgive you for your mistakes? Then you must forgive theirs. So what this is saying is do not wait for others to be kind to you or to give you things. You should try doing it first. It will make you feel happy. So if you get in a fight with your friend, do not hold a grudge and stop talking to them for a long time. You should forgive them because everyone makes mistakes. The Golden Rule doesn't promise that others will always be kind. You may share with someone who won't share her own things. You may forgive a friend who breaks your video game, yet he doesn't forgive you when you break his game. Do you think that's okay? It is okay. Not everyone lives by the Golden Rule. Not everyone will follow this Golden Rule of always being kind and always sharing and doing unto others as you would have them do unto you. The Golden Rule helps you to be a better friend. It helps you to be a better student. It helps you to be a better person. We would be happier if more people follow the golden rule. We could all get along. So if you have a friend and he breaks your toy, will you forgive them? You should try to forgive them. Also let them know how that made you feel. And remember, not everyone follows this rule. And that's okay. But if you follow the rule, it says in this passage that you will be a better person and a better friend, and even a better student. So if a teacher asks you to help them with something, just because you help them out, you shouldn't ask for a reward. Sometimes you have to do something out of the kindness of your heart. Just like if it's your birthday, you can't expect everyone to give you presents because you gave them presents. Will you follow the golden rule? Will you try to do the right things? I hope you do. I think it will make you feel good about yourself. The golden rule is for everyone. So remember, the golden rule in this story is telling us that treat others the way you want to be treated. If you want to be treated nicely, then treat others nicely. Because sometimes if you treat others badly, then they will treat you badly. And this is the moral or the lesson of this story. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Now that we're done, you can go ahead and do the comprehension questions in form. I will also download this so you can read it again to yourself if you have to.